spacious living and dining area. You will be have a kitchen space where you will be getting two passive space of a master bedroom where you can place your. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi Blossom by Siddhivinayak Enterprise located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and also you can see the actual land parcel of the project where the construction is in full swing. And right over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that has a standalone tower of ground plus 21 story having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities with gym, garden, game zone, cafeteria, kids play area and many more. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Kashmira main road from where metro station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Mira Road railway station is only at a distance of 12 minutes, D-Mart is only at a distance of 8 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 2 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing outside the 2 BHK of the residential project Kasturi Blossom. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 704 square feet. As you can see, as we entered, this will be a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and the living is very spacious to place your sofas, center tables to customize your TV unit. And in the living, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And as you can see, this over here will be a spacious dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. You can see your living and dining is very spacious. You will have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And over here we have a kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your upper and lower cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine, as water outlet is also provided. In the kitchen also you will be getting half French windows with glass facades. Moving forward, over here we have your common bedroom that you can see is spacious enough to place your bed, your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes. And in this common bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a balcony provided where you can place your tea tables and tea chairs. Also, we are standing at the actual tower, and this is the actual view from the project. Moving forward, in this corner over here, we have your common washroom, outside which a small utility space is provided. This common washroom will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, above the washroom, you have storage space provided. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and towards the left of the entrance is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, above this washroom, you have storage space provided. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed, your side tables, you can customize your wardrobes over here. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. Also in this master bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi Blossom. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi Blossom by Siddhivinayak Enterprise located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.